This video today is on bench holdfasts. We have a selection here from the Roman, mid-medieval to late medieval. And one of the things is with the bench holdfast is they are not very well documented in the historical record. It's usually through prints, pictures and drawings that they survive. And as you can see, the style varies. This one is from Herculaneum. This one is a mid-medieval 1563 bench holdfast, and this one is based on the Moxon example from 1677. Now they all have a roughly same design, but they do not have any quality that tends to suggest that one leads on to the other. They're just randomly designed as such, which for living history makes a bit of a problem. So you've just got to go with one you can roughly fit your time period and go with it. I mean, it's quite easily arguable that both that and that design were running concurrently in the Middle Ages. But since we only find an example of that in the 16th century, we have to go with it. And there we have it. Bench holdfasts. Unusual designs, not very well documented, but quite useful for holding down wood for sawing.